Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. This truck is in remarkable condition for its year and mileage, showing 169,000 miles on the clock. It runs and drives exceptionally well, offering both reliability and comfort. The truck comes equipped with cold air conditioning, a modern stereo system featuring CarPlay, and LED lighting inside and out. It rides on 20-inch Texas Edition wheels with a matching spare, complete with center caps that were added after the photos were taken. Inside, the cabin is super clean and well kept. A recent full tune-up was completed on August 22, 2025, which included iridium plugs, new wires, a distributor, synthetic oil, and OEM filters for both oil and air. Additionally, it has been fitted with a new starter, a new alternator, a fresh accessories belt, and a new tensioner. With all the updates and maintenance, this truck runs like a top and stands as a well-cared-for example of a late 1990s Chevy pickup. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,400. It has 185,000 miles on it and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in off-white with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the reliable 4.3L Vortec 262 engine. The truck comes with a clean Texas blue title and the seller's name. It runs and drives without any issues, featuring cold air conditioning, manual windows and locks, and has recently received a long list of upgrades. Among the new parts are a set of tires, fuel pump and sending unit, KN gas filter, spider injectors, spark plugs, thermostat, door handles, battery, catalytic converter, all 4 oxygen sensors, a 2-inch rear drop kit, mass airflow sensor, and a new air filter. With its combination of a dependable drivetrain, fresh components, and clean paperwork, this Chevy 1500 stands as a solid and well-maintained truck that is ready for the road. Number 3. 1995 Ford F350, price $6,800. This truck shows 310,000 miles and is powered by the renowned 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a beige interior, the truck presents a clean and straightforward look while offering the durability and strength these models are known for. As a 2WD, it runs and drives very well, with the engine and transmission performing as they should. Everything on the truck is reported to be in good working order, making it a dependable option for someone in need of a tough workhorse or a reliable daily driver. Despite its higher mileage, it has been kept in solid running condition and comes with a clean title. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. This truck is a well-maintained classic truck that runs and drives strong. It features a 4L60 automatic transmission with a street tune and a professional V8 swap. Recent upgrades include a new torque converter, rack and pinion, Delphi fuel pump, water pump, alternator, battery, spark plugs, wires, crank sensor, gaskets, ball joints, control arms, and tie rods. The brake system has also been refreshed with a new master cylinder reservoir, hoses, and pads, while the rear axle received synthetic oil and a new gasket. Cosmetic improvements include new headlights, ceramic 5% tint, a new interior carpet, and a locking bed cover. The heater works perfectly, though the AC will need servicing due to a leak. With so many new parts and upgrades, this Chevy 1500 stands out as a strong, dependable, and classic truck. Number 5. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. This truck is a 2-door extended cab pickup finished in white with a blue interior, offering both utility and classic Chevy style. Powered by gasoline and paired with an automatic transmission, it has covered 208,000 miles and still runs strong. As a 4x4 2500 model, it provides dependable performance on and off the road, making it an ideal choice for towing, hauling, or heavy work. The truck has been recently updated with a set of new tires and a brand new battery, adding to its reliability. With its proven durability and rugged design, this Chevy continues to be a solid work truck that's ready for whatever task comes next. Number 6. 1988 Jeep Comanche, price $5,500. It has 165,000 miles on it and comes with a clean title in the owner's name. Finished in a classic red exterior with a gray interior, it is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and powered by the dependable 4.0L inline-6 gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives very well, having been in the current owner's possession for about 10 years, during which it served as a daily driver for 6 of those years. Over time, several important maintenance items have been addressed, including the installation of a new radiator, starter, water pump, power steering pump, alternator, and a complete exhaust system from the headers to the catalytic converter. The dashboard has also been replaced, and the brakes have recently been bled. Its four-wheel drive system functions but could benefit from some adjustment. While the truck is equipped with air conditioning, it has never been operational, and the heater core has been bypassed due to a leak. A few items will need attention, such as new tires, fresh brake pads, seat covers, and some cosmetic details. Number 7. 1988 GMC 2500, price $7,200. It has been fitted with a new alternator, battery, exhaust system, and a fresh set of tires, all of which contribute to its strong performance and reliability. Inside, the truck offers a comfortable and well-maintained interior, with the dashboard standing out in excellent condition, free of any cracks, something not always common in vehicles of this age. These key features reflect the care and attention it has received over the years, making it not only a practical choice for everyday driving or light work but also an appealing option for enthusiasts who appreciate the rugged charm of late 1980s GMC pickups. Number 8. 1969 Ford F100, price $8,000. The truck stands as a well-preserved classic, remaining almost entirely original aside from an upgraded radiator that ensures better cooling performance. It is equipped with the traditional 3-speed manual transmission, commonly referred to as 3 on the tree, which adds to its period-correct driving experience. In addition to its originality, the truck has been fitted with new tires, brakes, and shocks, making it not only authentic in appearance but also reliable on the road. This F100 runs and drives well, offering both the nostalgic charm of a vintage pickup and the reassurance of recent mechanical improvements, making it a strong example of a classic Ford that's ready to be enjoyed. Number 9. 1993 Ford F150, price $4,999. It has 146,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 302 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a two-tone blue exterior with a gray interior, it carries a custom paint-matching camper that adds both style and utility. The truck comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, power windows and locks, a CD radio, and an aftermarket alarm for added convenience and security. Riding on BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, this 32-year-old F-150 still runs and drives well, though the paint shows some fading and the interior is in fair condition. A Carfax report is available, confirming it as a one-owner truck with detailed maintenance records, making it a solid example of a well-kept classic pickup. Number 10. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000. This truck comes powered by a strong and dependable 6.5 turbo diesel engine with 157,000 miles. It has received careful maintenance and several important upgrades, including brand new batteries, a new alternator, a new starter, a new PMD, and a new flywheel, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. The truck is in good running condition and is ready to be driven without worry. Both the air conditioning and the heating system are fully functional, providing comfort in any season. With a clean title in hand, this Chevy 2500 is not only practical and reliable but also a solid choice for anyone in need of a durable diesel workhorse or a dependable daily driver.